bugs, it's Deborah here from BodyGarbage, and today we will be making more whipped soap. Today we'll be making cherry bomb, so if you'd like to see how I make it, follow along with me and let's get soaping. So we have our fragrance ready, We have our foaming bath whip in the bucket. We also have some castor oil in here just to give some more hydration and conditioning for your skin. So we're just going to whip this up and then we'll color it, and I will so we have our handy dandy hand mixer here. We have our whipped soap base and some extra oils in here for skin hydration and conditioning. So let's whip this up really quickly. You want to whip it up so it looks like a meringue or like a whipped body butter. And then you have like stiff peaks. And that's a little peak if you saw it. Hopefully it didn't drop out. We're going to add in some of our fragrance, and hopefully our hand mixer stays still. And it smells amazeballs. It reminds me of like a cherry slush. And with this soap base, you don't really need much. So we're going to mix that in. Start on the lowest setting and then work your way up to make sure it's well incorporated. Make sure you're getting the size just the same way as if you were using a hand mixer for your body butter or your bath bombs, because you know your product will stick to the size, and you just make sure you get up in there, get all the crevices. Get all that good air in there. And you know what? I changed my mind. This does not smell like a cherry slush. This smells like Hawaiian punch. Seriously. And that's what we're going to call this. So I'll be back. I'm going to split up this batch, and then we're going to put our colorant in the big part right here. And we'll put it in our press and seal, and then the piping bag, and then we'll pipe our little cups. Okay, bugaroos, so we'll be using some Firecracker Red from Nurture Soap. And we're just going to dump a little bit of this in here. It's whipped soap, so it's not going to be like deeply colored anyway. And then we portioned off some of the uncolored base. So let's mix this up. Just want to scrape down my sides. I want all of this color to be mixed in. Okay. A good idea. Some color still left at the bottom. We want to mix that in. Alrighty, so to prepare our piping bag, I'm going to set this to the side. We're going to use some Glad press and seal. We're going to layer our 2 different colors onto the press and seal. Seal the press and seal. Put it into our piping bag. And we will go from there. Scissors out of the way. Make sure when you're doing this, it's sticky side up, obviously. So I'm not going to be fancy. Just dump this on. And this is the firecracker color. Obviously, it's not like super red or anything like that. But it's pink or red enough for what we're doing. Okay, so that's on. We just now need to dump our white on top of this. Here we go with that. You could put it on top, you could put it on the side. It totally depends on what you want to do with your product. And yes, this is an old Duncan Hines cake icing container. And this was thoroughly cleaned out and sanitized. So do not fret any of my pets. And I'm just going to wipe the rest of that off. Place those to the side. And we're just going to gather this. Pinch down the sides here. Pinch down these sides. I like to give it a little toss around just to make sure everything is in there. And then we're going to, sorry if that got you guys out of line, snip the end piece off of one end. Take our piping bag, and this is a sunny side tip. I believe it's a star tip. I'll get the correct information. Probably be at the end of this video. Just set that in there. Make sure it's good and down. Press any air out. And we're going to take our sanitized cups, and we're going to start piping in here. And they say you can actually let these set for a while, but before you start piping or slathering them in your containers or whatever you're going to put them in. But I just choose to go for it. That's just me. You don't have to be like me. You can do your own thing. This is my thing. I haven't had any problems thus far, so I'm not going to change anything now. Just want to make sure this is distributed evenly within the 2 containers. And that's it for that. And then we have these little soap dough cherries. The same way that I made the blueberries for the blueberry pie soap. That's how I made these. Soap dough, rolled them into a ball, and then I took my scissors and made little indentations at the top. That's really about it. And this is how it looks right now without the cherry. And we just add 1. And yes, it's only 2 of these available. I like to make these in small batches. There's no point in, well, all my soaps are small batches anyway, but I don't see the point in holding these forever because they go pretty quickly. So, there we go. And there you have your Hawaiian Punch or Wild Cherry whip soap. And again, you can use this for your face, your body, You can use it as a shaving soap. If you want to use it as shampoo, do your thing. You can use this however you like. So that's how we make this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.